Hello and welcome back to my classroom. My name is Miss Silva and I am so excited to learn with you today. In this lesson, we will learn about the word family, add. Come on, let's get started. Now that we know what sound each letter makes, we can start combining the letters to make words. When we combine the letter A with the letter D, it makes a add sound. Can you try making that sound? Add. Well done. Let's take a look at some words that end with add. Can you try sounding out this word with me? S-A-D. S-A-D. Sad. Good job. Ma-a-d. Ma-a-d. Mad. B-a-d. B-a-d. What does it spell? That's right. It spells bad. D-a-d. D-a-d. Dad. Do you remember the sound that the letter H makes? Can you try making the sound? That's right. The letter H makes a ha sound. So if we combine the H with the A and the D, we can sound out ha-a-d. Had. Good job. The dad. Let's read a short story together. Keep a lookout for all of the add words. The dad is sad. The dad is mad. Sad and mad. Mad and sad. Let's take a look at the add words again. This time, I want you to say what word it is when it comes up on the screen. That's right. It's sad. Mad. Bad. Dad. Had. You did so well. You get a sticker. I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Let's check for understanding. By the end of this lesson, I know the sound that add words make. I can sound out and read the words that end with add.